On the side of a busy road, tiny homeless kittens were found crying for help. Hungry, scared, and alone, they had no one to care for them. Thankfully, a kind-hearted animal lover stopped and couldn't ignore their desperate meows. The kittens were rescued, given food, clean water, and a safe place to stay. What began as a difficult day on the streets became the start of a new life filled with love and care. These little kittens are proof that a single act of kindness can change everything. Every rescue matters. If you're an animal lover, please like, subscribe, and help us share more rescue stories. Thank you for supporting animals in need.